Aloha guys, Hawaii's only. We have a good one today. We're making a cold noodle dish. We're utilizing a product called ocean salad. In your part of the town, it might be called wakame salad or seaweed salad, or sometimes they call it Chuka wakame seaweed salad, or some places just call it Asian salad. Anyway, we're taking that, some kamaboko or fish cake. I have the links below to purchase. We also got some taegu in there. It's going to be a good one. Stick around. Aloha guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kale D. Shanks. We release videos every Wednesday and Saturday, cooking tutorials, diving, fishing action, and then we do our popular catch and cook videos as well. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Let's get into some ingredients. We've got this Okahara fish cake. It's a brown fish cake. I'll have the link below, but you can buy any type of style or brand that you want. We've got regular kamaboko. We've got ocean salad, which is the green thing. We've got taegu, which is the red thing. Then we have a bowl of ginger. Then we have our fish cake, both the pink and the brown. And then we have Chinese parsley and sesame seed oil. That is it. And then we have our bowl of noodles. To get started, we have our bowl of linguine noodles. And we drizzle about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I like to use the linguine noodles just because they don't get too swollen or they don't get too overcooked or too fat as you leave them in the refrigerator overnight. And this is a dish that you actually want to make ahead of time because you want the flavors to really absorb. It tastes better the next day basically, but you definitely can eat it fresh. Just add a little bit of salt. Here I have no salt because the taegu and the ocean salad have quite a bit of salt in them, as well as the fish cake. So to get this dish rolling, it's really easy. You put on your sesame seed oil, and then I'm just adding in all the ingredients. Ocean salad, the taegu, a little bit of grated ginger, your pink and brown kamaboko fish cakes, and then some minced Chinese parsley. And then all you're going to do is just give this a toss in a real nice healthy mix. This salad, you cannot mess it up. It's all by preference and taste. So if you want more ocean salad, by all means, put in more ocean salad. If you want more fish cake, put in more fish cake. But I will have the exact ingredients and measurements down below in the description for anyone who's a stickler to sticking to the recipe. Guys, we did it again. It's pretty much pow. So I'm gonna mix this all up. We're gonna get it plated. We're gonna garnish with some cilantro and some sesame seeds, and that's a wrap, guys. This dish, I'm telling you right now, if you got a barbecue or a potluck, or if you got to make a dish that is very affordable, it's fast, and you got to feed the masses, do this cold noodle dish. I'm telling you, it's super delicious. The fish cake, the sweetness of the ocean salad, the spiciness from the taegu, it's the perfect combination, and it goes well with everything. You can eat this with steak. You can eat this with sashimi. You can chop up lettuce and make like a somen salad style with like either a ponzu or a somen dressing. Out of this world. So this is the base recipe. From here, go ahead and do what you want. You can add tofu. You can add some salmon skin. I mean, sky's the limit, but this is the base. It's cold, it's light, it's refreshing. It's absolutely delicious. Try it. You guys let me know. I talking too much, so I'm gonna go and eat this food, but I appreciate the love. I will see you guys next week, Wednesday or Saturday, whatever that is. I'm gonna get down with this dish, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment below and let me know how this recipe came out for you. Okay? All right, you guys. Aloha. Fresh, tangy, refreshing, cold. Oh, summertime, perfect. I'll see you guys next week Saturday. Aloha.